Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this look using a full face of makeup from a black owned female brand called Tree Angelic Dolls. This brand was started in 2015 and was started as just mink lashes, has now expanded into a full-blown cosmetic and hair line. If that isn't amazing, I don't know what is. I am so excited to show you guys some of these products, so if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is my eye makeup, and I'm going to be using the Tree Angelic Dolls eyeshadow palette. This is the Paradise Island palette. It looks like this. The branding is super cute, and these are the colors from the palette. Very cute. But I need a transition. I don't know why I can't find my words, but I need a transition. I need a transition shade, so I'm gonna use a companion palette for that. I forgot to prime my eyelids. Don't forget to prime, y'all. So to prime my eyelids, I'm gonna be using the concealer in the shade Cool Breeze. This is how it looks. I'm just gonna be using this. No, you know what, on second thought, I don't want to use that. I'm gonna use the foundation to prime my lids. I just like how the foundation looks over the concealer on my lids. Then I'm gonna use her setting powder. This is how it looks. I already used all this stuff before, y'all. I had to try it out, and this is number 2. So I'm just gonna set my eyes with this. I love this powder. Okay, now we got the perfect base for our eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna use the transition shade. I'm just using like a brown. So now I'm gonna go into the Paradise Island palette, and I want to use this color right here. This is so pretty. I don't know if y'all can see it, but I applied the shimmer and it has like little to no fallout, and it is so pretty and so pigmented. Like, this is really good. I'm going to go back into the Paradise palette, and I'm going to use this color right here, and I'm just going to add that on top of what I already have. I'm going to use the Tree Angelic Dolls foundation. Now I already use this foundation, so I can tell you off the bat that this is very full coverage. It's supposed to give you 12 hours of wear, and on the website it says medium to full coverage. But trust me, this is very full coverage, though I would advise you to use as little as possible. Like, you don't need 3, 4, 5 pumps. Like 1.5, 2 pumps is good. Because the foundation is so thick, I went in with the Tree Angelic Beauty Healing Hold Setting Spray, and I just sprayed my brush while applying the foundation. This is my perfect shade. Like, I match this perfectly. And don't forget to shake up your foundation before you start using it. Depending on which foundation I'm using, I like to set it before adding my concealer so that it doesn't move. So because this is so full coverage, I don't want it to move all around the place, so I'm gonna set it before I apply my concealer. And sometimes I forget, so it's just better to do it now. So now I'm gonna go back into the Cool Breeze concealer, and I think she has a few different shades. This is a little bright for me, but I kind of like my concealer to be bright at times, so that's fine. For me, with this concealer, I prefer to blend it out right away rather than waiting on it to dry down. This concealer is also full coverage. I mean, it basically gave me all the coverage that I need. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and use the Dre Angelic Doll setting powder. I showed it to you guys in the beginning. And I'm gonna set my concealer. Y'all, I love this setting powder. Like, I love it. It's so like fine milled. It doesn't leave your skin looking patchy. You get like no flashback from this at all. It's tested. I'm loving how this is looking so far. I love it. Okay, so on the website there is a contour kit. So this is the contour kit. So like, I don't know, like, I just gotta take a minute and say how much I am in love with her branding. Everything is so smooth and crisp, and look at this. Like, you can tell that she put time and effort into her brand because everything is on point. Everything comes together so good. Her branding literally speaks for itself. Like, she doesn't even have to say anything, just drop the mic. Okay, but this is the contour kit. It comes with 369 different shades. As you can tell, I already dabbled in this shade, but me personally, like, I don't really use cream contour, so I don't want to come on camera and tell y'all, well, hey, this is good or XYZ, because I'm not familiar with cream contour. I tried it and it ain't my speed. Like, I ain't gonna lie, it ain't my speed, but I still wanted to show you guys her contour palette just in case some of you out there that use this on a regular. I know a lot of people do, but me personally, I don't. So I'm just gonna bronze my face. Now, Drea, a bronzer. I need a bronzer, okay? I need a bronzer. Like, if you give me a bronzer, you would have made my life. My life would be sad. Like, that's what the girls need. That's what I need. I need a bronzer and a liquid eyeliner, and then life would be made. But until then, I gotta use my Fenty Beauty. Y'all, I think it is so amazing that she started out with just mink lashes, and now she is literally a full-blown cosmetic line. Like, if that isn't amazing, like, I don't know what is. Like, people like Drea, they motivate me. Like, you know, she motivates me to go harder, because it's just it's just an amazing thing to see, you know, like her drive and her hard work. It don't go unnoticed, you know, and that's something that's really amazing to me. You know, I respect her drive, and I respect her hustle and everything that she is trying to do. So I'm always going to support her and her brand. I just love it, you know. She works so hard and she puts her everything into what she's doing, and you can tell like this is something that she is passionate about, and that just like that gets all my respect. You know, I not only does she have a full-blown cosmetic line, she also sells hair bundles. She does machine-made units. Like, this girl hustling and she doing everything, you know. So that, like, I can respect that. So I'm gonna use the Cocoa Plum highlighter. Y'all, look at this. Like, this is what I'm talking about. Like, look at this. This is so freaking pretty. And this highlighter is literally like blinding. I told y'all I use these already, so I already know. Look at this. For my face, let me tell you about the Healing Whole setting spray. I've heard that when you use all the same products from one brand, they tend to perform better. So I guess me using the foundation, the concealer, the powder, the setting spray, everything together in uniform, it performs just the way it's supposed to. So the makeup didn't move, it didn't budge. It's supposed to last for 12 hours. I had it on for like 3 or 4 and it was sitting, like it was sitting. And I'm just gonna add some lip gloss. I didn't put on no lip liner or anything. Oh, hold on, I forget. I was about to say how crazy my hair looks, and then I remembered she also has her own foam. That's the baby in me, foam. But yeah, she also has her own foam, and this one is called the Style Me foam. It says no flaking, long lasting hold, defining all curl types, shining and moisturizing. And this is how it looks. So my hair needs some zhuzhing up, so I'm just gonna put some of this on my hair. I used this already, and y'all, it's like, when I tell you guys, like, this isn't flaky, or it doesn't take long to dry down. It leaves my hair feeling nice and soft and weighed down, because these locks tend to get like thick. So I like this foam because it kind of tames it. It's pretty cool. Let me turn around so y'all can see. Much better. Okay, so like I was saying, pretty much everything that I use today I love. There is not one single product that I use that I didn't like. The setting powder surprisingly was my favorite. I love it, and that is absolutely definitely going in my kit. It's gonna be a staple for me, because if you've been watching my videos, you guys know how obsessed I am with the Laura Mercier setting powder, and nothing has come close to what Drea has brought to the table. Nothing. Okay, so this right here, black girl friendly, black girl friendly, black girl friendly. Okay, get this. If you don't get anything else from this video, this your girl card. And of course I'm gonna put everything on the screen for you guys, but please go ahead and support a black owned business, support a black owned female business. Go ahead and follow Drea on Instagram at DreAngelic_doll. And also, if you want to purchase any of the items that I showed you guys, or if you want to purchase anything else, you can go to her website, which is www.DreAngelicDoll.com. I promise you there's no way you're gonna leave her website without purchasing something. She accepts all forms of payment, all major credit cards and debit cards, and as a bonus, she offers Cecil. Listen, Dre, if I say it wrong, charge it to my head, not my heart, because girl. But she offers Cecil, which kind of like Afterpay, which allows you to purchase an item now and then you pay over 4 installments. So even if you don't got it like that right now, she got you. That's how she looking out for y'all, okay? So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to follow Drea on her Instagram. Go to her website, take a minute and look around at all the amazing items and products that she has. Subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends, share it with somebody, share it on Facebook, share it somewhere so somebody else can have a chance to come and see what Drea Angelic Dolls has in store. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. I love you guys. Bye.